Welcome back again, GAT test takers. In this lesson or in this video, we're going to do module test 14. So this is the first section, Ritaj. Can you go dismantle and assemble?
Um, it's be pamper mistreat.
Perfect here, because dismantle to break something down into pieces. Dismantle, for example, a piece of furniture. But the opposite here is to assemble, to get things together. So here, like pamper. Pamper here to overcare about someone. And the opposite is to mistreat someone. So here, pamper and mistreat, they're opposite. They show the same relationship. They're antonymous here. Dismantle to break down something. Okay, assemble to put together. Good. A playwright, but from the right to the left here. Number two, a dialogue can be written by a playwright, like
An overture composer.
yeah, overture. Like overture and composer. What is an overture? This is the introductory piece of music. When we have a concert or something, we have an introductory piece of music. So here a composer can write this piece of music here, compose it, okay, like a playwright. And good job that you follow the same order. This is a person, this is a person. This is what he does, this is what he does. The flu causes malady here, or
See,
they're synonym here, like flea is a parasite. Good, perfect. A basketball, I'm not sure that if you're interested in football or not. A basketball here.
basketball hoop. I choose B.
Yeah, like croquet and wicket here. What is a hoop? This is the circular object of the net here. You remember, yeah, I can see the basketball player jump high. So they touch the hoop and they slam dunk the ball. Like croquet and wicket. I got a picture here if you would like. Yeah, okay. This is a croquet here. It's uh croquet hoop. Yeah. This is a croquet hoop here. The ball should pass through this hoop, but the basket the basketball one is circular. Okay. Gigantic in size, this is a descriptor. Gigantic as descriptor or a degree of size of something.
It's A.
Yeah, substantial and mass. This is also a degree of the mass here. A substantial part of the mass. I mean that this is the important one here. This is the biggest one here. The same relationship. Good, perfect. I feel so happy when you show good understanding about analogy, because this is really this is a trick. This is the trick of the GAT exam. Sentence completion. Let's go
Um,
to question number 6.
Number 6. I chose D. Local.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah. Although Micah's softball team occasionally play teams from other uh, regions, most of their games were played against local teams here. Okay. They play locally here. Then a restaurant gets reviews. So we have eating there.
Dreadful and avoided.
Perfect. Yeah. Dreadful reviews. So we have avoided eating there. 8.
Um, Sensitive. A.
Yeah. Sarah hardly noticed whenever someone made a negative comment about her. Her sister, however, this is the key word, was more sensitive. Though we may not always agree with the politicians in power, living in a democracy is a people in many parts of the world don't enjoy similar.
Privilege and liberties. C.
Yeah, privilege and liberties. That's wonderful. It's a privilege of democratic societies. 10. Sally's cat uh, loves his family. He seems to always be finding cute ways to show them his
Affection. B.
affection. Yeah, emotion. That's wonderful. So this is the second section. It has been hit and aced. Now let's move to the contextual error.
Um, Number 11. A. Concern.
Modern linguists concern themselves. with many different facets of a speech. Okay. Facets here mean different forms of speech, from physical properties of the sound waves in utterances to the intentions of speakers towards others in conversations and social contexts. So you go with concern. Why concern?
Um,
I mean that modern linguists cares a lot. Concern, I mean that they give a lot of attention to many different facets of speech, from the physical properties of the sound waves in utterances, okay, to the intentions of speakers towards others in conversations and the other contexts. Um, the one here that does not fit the context is the word speech. Yeah, speech here. I'm just talking about. I mean here, linguists actually care about language, care about sounds, not as just a speech here, or you can say discourse, not a speech. Discourse. Modern linguists concern themselves with many different facets of discourse, from the physical properties of the sound waves in utterances to the intention of the speakers towards other conversations. So no word can the word concern here fits the context. So here I'm gonna replace the word speech with discourse. 12.
Number 12, I chose D.
14, just a mistake. 12 here, good, I second that. There's a vast difference between the mind and the body in that the body is always divisible, while the mind is completely visible. No, indivisible. Okay, 13.
13, I chose B.
Rainforest. This has many different groups of species, which include mammals, birds, reptiles. Yeah, and the societies of animals need to live in a specific types, not societies of animals. I mean the species of animals. Good, perfect. 14,
14, I chose C. Flocks.
flocks here. Many of the South American animal inspire the fascination which comes from revulsion. Flocks of cannibal fish infest the rivers. We don't say flocks here. You know what we use with fish here? We use schools of fish. It's a collective noun, by the way. Okay, we usually say school of fish, flock of birds, but a school of fish. Laws
Okay.
directly. Okay.
15, I chose comply. D.
Yeah, how come here? Laws directly tell us how to behave under various specific circumstances and prescribe remedies or punishments for individuals who comply with the law. No, who actually go against the law, not comply with the law. Comply here means to go along with or follow the law, respect the law. But I can say we don't punish those people here. We just, the remedies or the punishments are for people who break the law. Good, perfect. Please, just one mistake is good. Okay, find a different one
Um,
here.
16, I chose C. Ball.
Yeah, perfect here. Traffic, vehicle, crossing, that's about crossing the road or the street ball is different here. Good. 17,
17, I chose B.
perfect. Me too. No understand thing, they just mental verbs, but break is a physical one here. It's an action verb. No, I understand. I think, when I know, when I understand here, I don't make physical efforts. I don't do physical efforts. Sorry. Okay. 15.
18A. Soup.
Yeah, perfect here. Plate, knife, spoon. They're different kitchen tools, but soup here, this is food. Find a different one for 19.
19C.
Yeah. Umbrella. Perfect. Yeah. There are different weather conditions, snow, wind, storm. They're different weather conditions, but an umbrella, it's an object. Yeah, you know what I mean. Find a different one here for 20.
20D.
20, you go for a D, and I second that. Perfect. A tailor is someone who actually makes our clothes fit. Okay. Okay, now let's move to this section here, the reading comprehension. Again and again, if you need to read the passage, take your time slowly, read it carefully, stop the video here, then go back again to the questions. But now let's go to the questions here. Do anyone read carefully, please? By using the word ironically here in the second sentence, the writer suggests,
D. It is difficult to believe
yeah,
whales are
irony.
gentle.
Yeah, irony here shows that it is difficult to believe whales are gentle despite their humongous size. Okay, 22.
Um, winter
Winter
poses
poses such a danger. Okay,
to whales because whales can drown without sufficient air.
sufficient air. Yeah, perfect. B. They can drown without sufficient air. They breathe air. Sometimes they go to the surface of the sea to take some air in and go down again.
23. Whales can move easily in water because of their tail and skin.
Yeah. D. Tail, skin, and breathing hole. They have a breathing hole on the top of them. 24.
24A.
The human qualities of whales are not highlighted by the fact that,
They migrate from cooler to warm waters.
yeah, perfect, from cooler to warmer water. 25, the
25A.
phrase, yeah, maternal instincts here suggested that female whales are very caring towards their young. So here, cheer up, 24 out of 25. Good job. Okay, that's wonderful. And that's it for test 14. Super, super, super.